Alright guys, I'm going to be replacing the wheel bearing on this 2005 Cadillac Escalade all-wheel drive. And right now I'm having trouble with the impact removing the hub bolt. So we're heating it up and we're going to give it another shot with the impact again. Make this nice and hot. I just took the wheel off. That's all I've done so far. That big nut is 35 millimeter. Alright, go ahead. Is that as deep as it'll go? Yep. Oh god, that's bad. Wiggle it in there as much as you can. Okay. Alright, hit it. Keep holding it. There we go. Alright, it's off. I think. Is it? I don't know where to find out. Is it off or is it fucked? We got it out, guys. It's stuck in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the plug all the way up here. Undo all these clips here holding the wire. Alright, got that connection out of there. That's where it hooks up to right here. Here's a connection. I'm having a bit of trouble with this bolt here. These bolts are pretty hard. As you can see, you barely have enough clearance in there. Between this screw here from your ball joint. Ball joint. Got it on there. Got my ratchet with the swivel on here. I think I have to take this tie rod off because it's getting in the way. I could get it into this side maybe. I think I can get it into this side. Back. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna get a pipe on here. Get my pipe on there. I think so. Go the other way? Yep. That worked. I did get that bolt free. Just use a short extension and the swivel, the ratchet right here through the backside, and then put the pipe on there. Those bolts are on there. Now I got one more down there. For that bottom one, I just needed the swivel on my ratchet and then the socket. And then I could take these off my caliper. that one out. I'm taking this one out right now by hand. Nothing really fits in here. Get that one out. Now I just got to take my caliper out. Use my Torx bit. Here's my Torx bit here. The caliper up there. Now I gotta take these out. Right here. And that one right there. So I can get my caliper bracket off. Got the professional mechanic Leo hard at work here. Wow, we got it. That was a hard bolt. Just got that caliper bracket bolt loosened up. It's 18 millimeter. The bolts for the actual hub on the back, the three that are back here, those, that size is 15 millimeter. And then your big nut in the middle, that's your hub nut, is 35 millimeter. And your Torx bit for your brake caliper is a T55, I believe. I'll double check and show you guys. All right, we got that caliper bracket off. There it is on the floor. Now once you have that off, this will just slide right off. It's a little rusty. Probably both hands. Maybe not. Boom. I'm gonna go ahead and give us a little tap here. All right. I'm gonna smack it. We gotta smack it out. I'm gonna use a hammer. Have to heat it up a bit, smack it on both sides. Whoa, don't hit that. That's the heat shield or whatever, dust cover. It's gonna be tough, it looks like. Having a bit of difficulty taking it off, but let me show you guys how bad it was. Look. Push it in and out. That was really bad. I'm gonna try to jam a flathead between here and hammer it in slowly all the way around. Might have to heat it up. After heating it up and beating on it for about 25 minutes, I Finally able to get this chisel in there. Now I'm just hammering. Slowly making progress. Finally have a decent gap. So just hammering and hammering. I use the chisel sideways here, this way, smacked it in, boom, all the way. Then I came over here, got the chisel in here, and I smacked it in all the way. And now it's loose. Just gotta wait for it to cool off with the top. I was heating it up with a torch. Damn. Jeez, so fucks your foot there. Yep. Almost landed on my foot. I gotta clean that up. Little wire brush on there, some sandpaper around here. And put some grease on her, WD-40. Put the new bearing in. We should be good. There we are. It's the next day already. Just gonna go ahead and sand it all the way around. Get all that rust off. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little grease all around. Put a little grease on the surface too, so it won't get stuck on here and rusted on like it did. All right, put the new bearing in here. I'm just tightening up the 3 bolts that hold it on. Got the rotor in there. Got the caliper bracket on. I'm going to put the brakes on. There it is. I just got to put the wheel back on and she's ready to go. Look at all that rust that came out of there, guys. Look at that. That's crazy. I just tightened up that big nut with the impact gun. should be good.